In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $95,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Instagram. I'm gonna share with you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Instagram. I will show you step by step how we can find people on Instagram that will be interested to buy those services or product from your affiliate links, so you can make some good money like this, okay, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to start making some good money like this, because this will be for free. This will be free course about affiliate marketing and how you can start, so you don't need to invest any money in paid courses or something like this. Just watch this video and go try this method, okay. Let's get started. So, and as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $95,270. That's a lot of money. It's our profit. It's just using free traffic from Instagram, okay. So what you will do for beginners who want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate, because we will use Fiverr affiliate, you will go to Google, you will search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay. So what you will do, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and it's gonna take you to this page over here as you can see. And what you will do next, just click over here on join now. But before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan, because they are really paying a lot of money. That's why I choose this affiliate business with Fiverr, because they are really paying a lot of money, okay. As you can see, commission plan, if we scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money, okay. If you can get just one person per day, you will make $150 per day, and that's a lot, okay. So what you will do, go back to this Fiverr affiliate website like this, click over here on join now, and it's really easy and simple. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple, okay. So just put your first name, your last name, and your email address, username, password, account type, make it private, and you will answer few questions over here. As you can see, choose your country and choose your language over here, okay. So, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to your home page. So now I'm gonna share with you guys which service you should promote on Instagram if you want to earn commission. Click over here on the search for Instagram promotion, okay. So why I choose this service, because we are promoting this affiliate link on Instagram, so this will be related to Instagram, okay. Search for Instagram promotion, and a lot of people on Instagram are interested to get more followers and get more likes and grow their Instagram account organically, okay. And that's what those sellers on Fiverr will do, okay. So what I will do, I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay. So let me see, I will promote, I'm gonna see if I can find good seller here. So let's see. So this one also is top rated seller, this one top rated, and you can also find sellers who provide quick delivery, top quality. So let me see if we can find a good one. Okay, so I will just choose this one. Okay, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. Okay, this one also looks good, top rated seller. I will organically grow your Instagram account. So this one is really good. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. I will click on his service and he is providing, and as you can see, he has 65 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service to grow Instagram accounts organically. Okay, so this will be really a good service for me to promote as an affiliate on Instagram. So what you need to do, you need to just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click on marketing tools, click on default and tip links, and it will take you to this page. I already have this done over here to save time. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. I'm going to show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go to your Instagram account. I don't suggest guys to use your personal account. Make sure to open new business Instagram account that you will use to promote affiliate links. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your Instagram account like this, click on the search, just click on the search over here and search for hashtag follow, search for hashtag follow for follow back, like this. You should find this hashtag over here. A lot of people. So why you need to search for this hashtag? Because people who are using this hashtag follow for follow back, they are interested to grow their Instagram accounts. They are using this hashtag to get more followers. Okay, that's why they're using this hashtag. And what you will do for you will search for hashtag follow for follow back. You will be directly in this page. You will scroll down and you can find a lot of people here who will be interested to grow their Instagram account. So let's take this one for example. Let me see this one.
Hello, bitch. Hey girl, hi.
Okay, I'm gonna put this. I will just click on his name page like this, and you will be directly in his page like this. And as you can see, this page has just 22k followers, and as you can see, so they are not getting, so let me see if they are getting some good likes. They are not getting a lot of likes. So for example, this one will be interested to grow this Instagram page and get more followers organically. Okay, so what I will do, I will click over here on message and I will send a message with my affiliate link to this person. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back first, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Okay, and you will scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Okay, so this is his description. So what I will do, I will copy this part. So for you, just what I will suggest guys is give it time and create your own description. Okay, get information from this this description and use your own description, okay, to describe your service as an affiliate. So what you will do, you will go back to Instagram. For me, I will put this description here for this page. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go to Instagram and I will put this affiliate link here like this, and I will click over here on send. and your affiliate link will be sent to this person like this. Okay, as you can see, this will be your description. We will help you to manage and grow your Instagram account with real organic followers and engagement. We have the experience to successfully grow, as you can see. So if this person is really interested to grow his Instagram account and get more organic followers, he will talk with you back, and you can explain to him this service, and you already have this Fiverr affiliate link here. So if he click on your affiliate link like this, he will be directly in Fiverr page, to this seller Fiverr page over here. If he click on continue, he will buy this service, you will earn commission. It's really easy and simple. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.